All rusted up.
Beautiful old bridge, railway bridge, was on our doorstep where we live. Build.
Yeah.
How exciting. Your birthday on the garden route.
Can you believe
In the
having a
gardens.
garden route birthday?
Yeah. And guess what? He's got lemon meringue, coffee. Yeah, we were actually going to just stay at home for your birthday, but oh, so we've just got our QR code ready for our Jaunti Vanlife. So he's definitely on guard after Graham's got him out. His clippers are up. We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch a video of us traveling full time through South Africa. We visit little off the beaten track towns along the way.
Got to climb up there.
Places that we would never have gone to before.
So here is an old railway bridge, very old. It was completed in 1928, and this line is 67 kilometers long. It goes from George to Knysna in the Western Cape. The Outeniqua was the last remaining continually operated passenger steam train in Africa, ending operation in August 2006. The line on which it operated links the towns of George and Knysna in the Western Cape, South Africa. There's a 2-gauge trail here. Yeah, I've been walking on this trail for quite a while. It's changed again, now we've got trails here. Crazy. Wow. See some pellets lying here. Looks like they put pellets on the railroad here. Because the trains and things can't go over it. Oh wow, look at this place. So tell me this is not a nice place to have a shower. Look at my view. Oh wow.
So guess what we found in the ladies' bathroom this morning? Graham's in here. I called him in, it's a flippin' big thing. Let's get pinchy, man. His kippers are up ready to strike you. And this is the deck. Usually on a weekend it's very busy. We are now Friday and it's cold weather. So here's a lovely bar inside this restaurant. Couch TV. Wagtail here in the restaurant. Wherever we are, they're under our feet. Where we stay. So this is the sand dunes, what we're walking on today. Aren't they gorgeous? Hi, Graham.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody.
Hello, everybody. I'm the butler.
What's your name?
My princess.
What's your name?
Butler Hong.
Butler Hong.
Butler Hong. Butler Hong, no do nothing. Hey, Cindy, what did you say there?
Guys, we need this
What?
for driftwood. We need it for the bra.
Oh,
So I'm going to take it. Look.
wow. Okay, so we're busy building a beachfront little tent here. And it's going to come out quite nice. We can live here. And we're right by the water here. Right by the water. Look at that, right
Is
here.
this for me to live in?
Yes, I'm building this.
Okay.
We
It's
can,
good enough. It's got
yeah, we're going to get this thing worked out.
Yeah.
We can live inside of this.
Jaunti, we can go in here.
Yeah. Wait for me.
This is a nice view of the mount. Look here. You can see the sea comes into the lagoon here. Look.
There you go.
Very nice. Oh, and you can even get the lagoon that way. Oh, boy.
Of 500 subscribers today. What's the date? 13th of May 2025. It's been a long road. Yo, thanks everybody. So exciting for us. Got exciting things going for our lives. Thank you all. What's it?
What happened there?
500 subscribers.
Yay! Look at that,
Yeah.
eh? Big thumbs up, guys and girls. Thumbs
Thank
up.
you.
Thank you.
For now, we can put up bars of coffee. I don't know how YouTube tells you,
We'll
but
mix
we're
it up.
500 today.
Thanks,
Yoo! It's been hard work to get here.
Thank you from Cindy and Graham.
Hey, bye. This is the restaurant here, with a convenience store right next door to it. Hi, Graham, babe.
Hi.
We we're at the restaurant down the road
Having a cappuccino.
yeah, Buffelsbaai, actually at the Bay Area. There's a nice restaurant. And how are you enjoying your full-time van life?
Well, this is something I dreamt of for a long time, and it looks like my dreams are coming true. They're coming true because we're having a whale of a time. Excuse the pun, because we're at the sea. But yes, we're having a beautiful time. What are you doing, Cindy? How are you? What?
So I think this is just wonderful. We are having so much fun exploring everything. Picking
Amazing.
up coral, going to different restaurants for coffee, and just doing lots of work on videos as well.
Bye.
I eventually got him to show me how he's going to put them in. Okay, so now I understand how you're going to put them back in. Right. Did you knock them over? So what you doing, Graham? Graham?
I'm just joining the sports here. Somebody left these here, so I'm just showing how to sit in there.
Okay. Building rocks, are you? Building a house?
Going up. Second floor.
So here I am at the top of the mountain. It's so beautiful here. Oh wow, early in the morning.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to end the video and we're